Managing employee hours and attendance can often be quite a challenge, particularly when dealing with large organizations or remote workforce elements. Despite these hurdles, implementing a Mahdumo time clock system can greatly aid in tracking everything with precision and ease in a single, comprehensive platform. Welcome to MahdumoLMS. I am Esther Alexander. Today, we'll explore how our innovative time clock system can streamline your HR processes while also saving valuable time. Remember, we are here to assist you in simplifying your operations and enhancing overall efficiency. To begin, simply log into your MahdumoLMS account. From the primary dashboard, access the HR department and select the time clock feature. It's incredibly swift and user-friendly. For your employees, clocking in and out is a breeze as well. Employees can click the Start Shift button whenever they begin their day and End Shift whenever they conclude it. The system will automatically log their hours in real time, ensuring peak accuracy in record keeping. As a manager, you're in for a treat as the Mahdumo time clock system enables quick and easy tracking of attendance. Carefully view who has clocked in and out, access any absence details, and monitor detailed work hours all from a clean, centralized dashboard. The payroll and performance evaluations can also be generated with complete ease. With just a handful of clicks, compose comprehensive summaries of employee attendance and work hours tailored to the exact requirements of your organization. Moreover, the Mahdumo time clock system is designed to seamlessly integrate with mobile devices, whether your team is working remotely or on the go. The process of the clocking in and connecting remains seamless. Touchscreen functionality ensures seamless accessibility on any device. In addition, you will enjoy how seamlessly the Mahdumo time clock system operates on a variety of devices, desktops, and mobile devices alike. Benefit from the same system, ensuring optimum functionality and efficiency. The benefits of the Mahdumo time clock system are endless. Our system offers an easy, efficient, and cost-effective solution for managing employee hours and attendance. Why not visit www.mahdumo.com to begin your journey today? Next time, we're going to be exploring all other features that the MahdumoLMS offers.